In this video, we are going to discuss one of the most 2024 PYQ from integration. See, what is that given question? Let f mapping R to R be a function defined by f of x is equals to x by 1 plus x power 4 whole to the power of 1 by 4 and g of x is equals to f of x. This is nothing but a composite function. Then 18 into integration 0 to square root of 2 root 5 into x square into g of x into dx. What is the value of this one? See, this problem is very simple. First of all, what is that a given function f of x is equals to x whole divided by 1 plus x to the power of 4 whole to the power of 1 by 4. Now after that, what is the given relation g of x is equals to f of x. First of all, you find that f of x. See, f of x. f of x means you replace x with f of x in this given function. So now you can write that f of x whole divided by 1 plus f of x whole to the power of 4 whole to the power of 1 by 4. Now you substitute that f of x value. So here what is that f of x value? X by, this value will be x by 1 plus x to the power of 4 whole to the power of 1 by 4 whole divided by 1 plus this value will be x to the power of 4 whole divided by 1 plus x to the power of 4 total whole to the power of 1 by 4. Now you see this one, you can write this value will be x whole divided by 1 plus x to the power of 4 whole to the power of 1 by 4 whole divided by denominator you take LCM, it becomes that 1 plus 2 into x to the power of 4 whole divided by 1 plus x to the power of 4 whole to the power of 1 by 4. So now here this one you can write that x whole divided by 1 plus x to the power of 4 whole to the power of 1 by 4 whole divided by 1 plus 2 into x to the power of 4 whole to the power of 1 by 4 whole divided by 1 plus x to the power of 4 whole to the power of 1 by 4. So now you can cancel that the LCM in the numerator and denominator is the same. So now this value becomes that is equals to x whole divided by 1 plus 2 into x to the power of 4 whole to the power of 1 by 4. Now here this one is nothing but which value? F of x. See, by observing f of x and so here what is that f of x is given? F of x value is given that x whole divided by 1 plus x to the power of 4 whole to the power of 1 by 4. See, you can observe that only one time f of x is taken, you have that 1 plus x to the power of 4. When two times you have there f of x, we have that 1 plus 2 into x power 4, right? So here in this question, what is that g of x value? G of x is given that f of x. 4 times that f of x is there. So here you can write that directly g of x value by using the above simplification. You can write that g of x will be equals to f of x. So this value will be equals to, see, here this value you can write that x whole divided by 1 plus, so when f is 2 times is there, you have that 1 plus 2 into x power 4. So this one you can write that 1 plus 4 into x to the power of 4 whole to the power of 1 by 4. So you got it that g of x value will be equals to this one. I hope that everybody is clear this value, right? So after this one, what is the required value? G of x is equals to, what is the required value? So you have to find out that integration 0 to square root of 2 into root 5 x square into g of x. See, first of all you write that integration 0 to square root of what is that value? Square root of 2 into root 5 into x square into integration of 0 to square root of 2 into root 5 x square into g of x. So here you have to first find out this value. Actually 18 into is there, so 18 we will see that later. Now this value you can write that integration 0 to square root of 2 into root 5 into x square into g of x value will be x by 1 plus 4 into x to the power of 4 whole to the power of 1 by 4 into dx. So how you can we calculate this value? See, here I will do that 1 plus, here I will do that this value will be 1 plus 4 into x to the power of 4 is equals to, you can write as that t. This one you take as that t. Now differentiate with respect to x on both sides. Differentiate with respect to x. Differentiate with respect to x on both sides. See this value, you can write that 4 into x power 4. One derivative of 1 will be 0. This value will be 16 into x to the power of 3 into dx is equals to, this value will be dt. So after this one you can write that x cube into dx is equals to 1 by 16 into dt. So now you see here is that in this given function numerator value is that x cube into dx, x cube into dx value 1 by 16 into dt. And next you should be changed that here 0 to square root of 2 root 5, these are the x values. So now if x is equals to 0, what is the t value? If x is equals to 0, then what is that t value? T is equals to 1. Suppose if x is equals to square root of 2 into root 5, then what is that t value? That implies t is equals to 1 plus 4 into x to the power of 4. X to the power of 4 means this one will be 2 into root 5 whole square. So what is the value of this one? 1 plus 4 into, this is that 4 into 5, that is equals to 20. So 20 into 4 is that 80. 80 plus 1 is that 81. So if x is equals to square root of 2 root 5, t value will be this one. Now you substitute all these values, that is equals to integration. So lower limit is that 1, upper limit is that 81. So now x cube into dx, x cube into dx value is at 1 by 16 into dt whole divided by t to the power of 1 by 4. Okay, now you see 1 by 16 you write that outside. 1 by 16 you write that outside. Integration of 1 to 81, this value you can write that t power minus 1 by 4 into dt. What is that integration of t power minus 1 by 4? 1 by 16 into t power minus 1 by 4 will be nothing but 3 by 4 whole divided by 3 by 4, because you know that integration of x to the power of n into dx is equals to, what is that integration value? X to the power of n plus 1 by n plus 1. So this is that integration plus c. Now here this one you can write that 1 by 16 into this value will be 4 by 3 into, here the limits will be 1 to 81. So here that t to the power of 3 by 4, the limits will be 1 to 81. So here 4 will cancel that 4 times. That is equals to 1 by 12 into 1 by 12 into. So now here you substitute that upper limit. 81 whole to the power of 3 by 4 minus 1 whole to the power of 3 by 4. See, 81 you can write that 3 to the power of 4. 1 by 12 into 1 by 12 into 3 to the power of 4 whole to the power of 3 by 4 minus 1. So now here that power 4 will be cancelled. 3 cube is the 27. 1 by 12 into this value will be 27 minus 1. 27 minus 1 will be equals to 26. So 1 by 12 into this value will be 26. Actually here this one you can write that this is nothing but 2 into 2 times 2 6 are 12, 2 13. So this value will be equals to 13 by 6. This is that this value is nothing but value of integration 0 to square root of 2 into root 5 into x square into g of x into dx value. Okay, so this is the 13 by 6 is the value of integration 0 to square root of 2 root 5 x square into g of x into dx. But actually in this question we have that 18 into, in this question we have that 18 into, see this one, here we have that 18 into integration 0 to square root of 2 root 5 x square into gx. So multiply with 18. So if you multiply with 18 on both sides, therefore if you multiply with 18 on both sides, 18 into integration of, therefore integration 0 to square root of 2 root 5 x square into g of x into dx is equals to 18 into this value will be 13 by 6. Now 6 will be cancelled. How many times? So 6 will be cancelled. That is that in 18 3 times. That is equals to, your answer will be 3 into 13. 3 into 13. That is equals to 39. So your right answer will be, what is that right answer? 39 is the right answer. So what is the right option in this given question? So in this given question, right option will be 39 is the right option. D is the right option. So thank you for watching this video. If you like, please share and subscribe this channel.